Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback day on this one, and it's become very clearly that there has been some selling pressure that has shown up. Now, I understand me just saying selling pressure, that's just a phrase, but that's why I love charts is they allow you to take phrases and make them very visual. So when I say selling pressure is showing up, what I'm actually getting at here is this trend line right there, which you go through the history of things and you can see has done a fantastic job of just illustrating the fact that, yeah, there's been positive movements in the upwards direction. The problem is each positive movement ultimately, is sold into by the selling pressure, which not only stops the upward movement, but then ultimately, has the price roll back over with the, the most recent example of that being this morning where the price actually started off very, very strong, came all the way up here, hit that trend line, and then right back down it went. And to me, that's, going to be the main dynamic moving forward because I would be very skeptical of any sort of upwards movement until the price can prove itself. And what I mean by prove itself is being able to get up above that trend line, because while that doesn't guarantee anything, it does make it a little bit more valid and reasonable to say, okay, maybe that selling pressure is finally gone. Maybe the selling pressure just really isn't going to influence anything any longer. But until, like I said, the price gets above that level, in my opinion, at least, you got to just err on the side of caution and say, yeah, there does seem to be this kind of mystical force out there of selling pressure that continues to push the price down. So I realize that from the lows here to where it is right now, a nice little bounce, but like I said, that still brings about the question mark of, can the price actually get above that area? So keep a close eye on that trend line right there. And then as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if the price breaks above there, next key level right up there around the 50 period moving average, that purple line, which is valued, let's just call it at the $19 mark. In terms of levels of support, it's all about that $17.25 mark down there, the green line, which I've talked about in past videos, so you'll want to keep a close eye on that. But all in all, very interesting dynamics here moving forward. So let's see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.